Hi, Gloria Reben here. And I know you're very excited about hearing how you can save on taxes starting today. And when you fill out that form over there, you're going to be taken to a website where you'll be able to get for free, it's my gift, the book by Ron Meuller, who's a tax expert. Now, I want you to know who he is, so I'm going to play you a few minutes of a 6-minute audio. You'll also get the full 6-minute audio when you put your name in that form over there. But in the meantime, let me give you just an idea of how he goes about saving you taxes.
I don't need to tell you that taxes are killing you financially. Just compare the amount of money you're making in wages with the small amount you get to take home in your take-home pay. That's the bad news. The good news is home-based business owners get more tax breaks than any other category of taxpayer. That means you can easily change the amount of money you're paying in taxes. Change means reduce, dramatically reduce. Hi, I'm Ron Meuller. I'm the author of Home Business Tax Savings Made Easy, the only plain English guide to home business tax savings. I've been studying and teaching this information for 10 years, and I'd like to share some of my experiences and some of my knowledge with you today. How much money are you currently paying in taxes? Most people honestly don't know. But here's how you can get a rough idea of what you're paying. Imagine how much money you're paying for your housing payment, your mortgage, or your rent. Add to that the transportation costs, that's your car payments and gas payments, etc. Now add food costs. That's the grocery store, it's dining out, it's drive-throughs, all of that. Now add your healthcare costs, the non-reimbursed part of your healthcare expenses, your premiums, your co-pays, and all of those medical expenses that are not reimbursed at all by your healthcare insurance. Add those numbers together. Guess what? The amount of money you're paying in taxes is probably more than you're paying in your housing payment, transportation, food, and healthcare combined. That's how much taxes are killing you. But that can change because it is possible for you to reduce dramatically, legal, ethically, and morally, of course, the amount of money you're required to pay in taxes, and that's by having a home-based business, even on a part-time basis. See, Congress decided just a few years ago that it would be good for the American economy if every taxpayer had a part-time home-based business that they could ramp up to full-time if they had to on short notice. What that means is if you go to work tomorrow and you find out you don't have a job, your company got downsized, right-sized, cap-sized, whatever it got, what you got was unemployed. Congress said instead of that taxpayer going home to look up the address of the unemployment office, what if they went home and ramped up their part-time business to full-time? That's better for the economy overall in America, and it's better for the taxpayer, him or herself. So what they did was pass a series of tax deductions specifically for home-based business owners, specifically to encourage taxpayers to start and to continue running a home-based business. How do you qualify? That's very easy. They made only two requirements. One is you've got to work your business on a regular and consistent basis, which has been defined by the tax courts as little as 3 to 4 hours a week. The second requirement is even easier. You need to prove you have a profit intent. Intent, get that. You don't even need to be profitable. You don't need to even have made a penny's worth of income before you qualify for the tax breaks. As soon as you have a profit intent, trying to make a profit, you qualify. And there are only 6 major deductions you really need to understand, and if you get your arms around that, get a good working knowledge of just the right 6 tax deductions that Congress passed for home business owners, the result of that will be an extra $3,000 to $6,000 in tax refund, cash in your pocket, and you don't have to wait to the end of the year. Congress made it possible for you to change the amount of money being withheld from your paycheck for taxes so that less money is being withheld. That will put an extra $300 to $500 per month in your take-home pay. In most cases, that's for the average American working a full-time W-2 job.
Okay, so that's about half of the audio that you're going to receive. So just put your name and your email address into that form over there, and you'll be taken to one of my websites where I'll have a link so that you can listen to that whole audio, because it gets even more exciting than that. And also I'll give you as my gift his book, which is called Home Business Tax Savings Made Easy. Made Easy. Okay? And one other thing, I do have room for a phone number there. You do not have to put your phone number. That's completely optional. But I'm offering a 30-minute consultation. If you don't have a home business, I can help you start one. You can either come in and join me in my business, or we can find something that would be suitable for you. If you do have a home business, I'll still give you the 30-minute consultation and help you to grow that. Maybe we can come up with some good ideas for you to make it stronger, okay? So anyway, put your name and email address and possibly your phone number in that form, and I'll see you on the next page.
The cost of not having a home-based business is absolutely incredible.